All right. Hello, my awesome friends. I am going to teach you how to do a little bit of coding. And that's super important because our cars and our houses and our traffic lights and our phones, everything talks in the language of code. So we are going to learn a little bit about that today. And I wanted to make sure that you have the app that you need first. And as you can see in my screen, it's called Scratch Jr. And it's got a little kitty. So how do I know if I have this app? You're going to go down to your apps tools. Oops, mine are not showing up. You can go to, let me minimize that. There we go. You can go to this little gray circle right here. You can click on that. Then you're going to click on the arrow. And then you can see all the apps that you have on your computer. And I have a few of the same ones that you do. And I made sure that I had Scratch Jr. But if you don't have Scratch Jr., if you're looking and you say, Mrs. Perkins, I don't have it, you can even scroll to another dot and check those apps, okay? There's 2 pages for me. I bet there's 2 pages for you. Then I'm going to just go ahead, if I still don't see it, and click on this one. It's called the Web Store, and it looks like a cut off half of the Chrome icon, okay? So I'm going to click on the Web Store, and it takes me to a screen that looks like this. It will for you too. And you're going to click on the apps. And then you have to type in the word Scratch Jr. So I'm going to do that now. SCRATCHJR. Scratch Jr. Okay. That's the one that you want to type in. And if you need help typing in all those letters, you can get a grown-up to help you, or even a teenager. Then I'm going to say, this does not look right. This says extensions, and I want apps. And I clicked on apps, but it took me away from apps. So I'm going to click back on apps. There it is. Okay. So that's the one that you want. It's got a little kitty head. I love kitties. Okay. So mine is already in there, but you are going to click install the app, and it makes you ask again, and you click yes, install, and then you let it install. Then it'll ask you to launch your app, okay, which is what I'm going to do next. And hopefully it'll keep recording and it'll do a great job. Okay. Oh, good. Okay. It's still recording. That's great. So when I launch the app, it's got to think about it for a little bit. There we go. All right. Now it's going to ask you for tools. So here, if you click on this little gear right here, it gives you the chance, if it'll do it. It's being very slow. I'm at home right now. That's why I don't have a mask on. Okay, so the little gear lets you choose English or Spanish, Espanol. So if you want Spanish, you can click on Spanish, okay? I'm going to go home, click the little house. Now, I've already done a project, but you guys haven't. So you're going to just have this one. And you're going to click plus sign. And it'll take me to a blank one. Your teacher wants you to design the ball drop. You know, on New Year's Eve, when everybody watches in New York City and the ball drops and they count down from 10. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do. You can do it a different way than I do it. There's lots of ways, but I'm just going to show you one way, okay? So they give me the kitty already, and I can move this kitty around if I want to. Okay, and I'm going to put the kitty in the corner. Then I'm going to click on this little picture here because you know what it does? It gives me a background and I can choose. Now, usually the thing is at night. You could choose a nighttime when the ball drops at midnight. It's in a city. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the city. Okay. Now, what do I need? I need a ball, right? So here is a plus sign. So I have my kitty, but I want to add a ball. So I have to click on the plus sign. And then I can scroll down. There's all kinds of fun things to choose from. So I suppose if you didn't want a ball to drop and you wanted a baby to drop, you could do that. Okay. Or an apple for New York City. Uh-oh, it thinks that I wanted the teenager. Okay, I accidentally clicked on him. I don't mind him. He can be in front of the kitty. Okay, I'm going to click the plus sign. And hopefully I will get to the ball again. All the way down. Keep going. It's just a little slow this morning. That's okay. Look, 1, 2, 3 different balls to choose from. I'm going to choose that one. There's my ball. Okay, now I want to do one more thing. I'm going to choose a building for it to drop from. I need it to drop from something. So I'm going to plus sign and I'm going to go back. You know, it doesn't have to be a building or a ball. It can be other things, but I'm going to do a building. Okay, here's my building, but uh-oh, where went my ball? I need my ball to go in front, so all I have to do is click my ball and put him right up at the top. Now, over here where I've chosen all these things inside my coding program, I want to code the ball first. So I need to be clicked on the ball or else I cannot make it do anything. And I want that ball to drop. Okay. And I want it to go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Ooh, so you got to make sure that they click together. 5, 4, 3, 2. Did I count that right? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, I did. And 10. Okay, then I want it to stop. So I want to put a stop sign on that. Let's see. There's the stop sign. So each time I click a different color, different blocks show up for me. So I'm going to put the stop sign. Maybe. There we go. There. Now when I click the yellow sign, I can choose. Do I want to click on the ball to make it go? No, I want to click on the flag because I have something else I want to go at the exact same time. So I'm going to have it click on the flag, but you can choose. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to have this teenager here say something. See this sound button? I want the teenager. Notice I had to click on him in order to make him do something. So we're going to get a flag out. And then I'm going to click on the click on the sound block. And I'm going to go ahead and click this one. That is the one where I can record, okay? All I have to do is click. So it might ask me if I can use the microphone. I'm not sure, but it might ask you, and you need to click allow if it does. Okay, so I'm clicking on it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! And then I click my check mark. And then my number 1, I know, is my Happy New Year, okay? And then I'm going to ask it to stop after it says it once. Okay, so let's see how I did. I wonder if it's this button. Yes. Now I'm going to click on the flag and see what happens. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Did okay. All right. So that's how I did mine. And what we'll do is you guys are going to do yours, and then you'll share your screen with me and let me know how you did. And you can experiment and investigate all these other blocks, because you see this one, this is a repeat block. So what if I had done that with my ball? If I had taken this and I had put it right here, it will repeat. This whole thing, it'll drop the ball again and again and again. That's kind of fun. You can do a lot of different things with it. Okay, so that's all that I'm going to do with you today. And you can let me know if you have any questions. All right, thank you. I don't know how to quit it.